In this video, we'll prepare a Microsoft Excel workbook for importation into SPSS. This particular file is a sample of 1,500 respondents who voted in the 2012 presidential election. The variables in this file are the candidates for whom the respondents voted in the 2012 presidential election, designated as Pres 12, the age of each respondent, the age category, the number of years of education of each respondent, the degree of education of each respondent, the sex of each respondent, and the annual income of each respondent. As happens by default, Microsoft Excel creates workbooks that have 3 sheets. In this particular file, sheet 1 contains the data for the analysis. Sheet 2 is blank. Sheet 3 is blank. While it's technically not necessary, it's advisable to delete all the sheets in the workbook that do not have the data for analysis. In this particular file, sheet 2 does not have data, so we'll delete it. Sheet 3 does not have data, so we'll delete it. We're left with a one-sheet workbook. What we will do now is to save this file in a format that's suitable for importation into SPSS. To do that, we go up on the File command, we click File. We're going to save this as a file. We're going to save it to the Documents folder. It's already named Voter. And what we need to do is, in the Save as Type field, click on the down arrow at the end of the field and choose Excel 97 2003 Workbook. While saving in this format may not be necessary for newer versions of SPSS, for older versions it is necessary. Therefore, it is safe to save the file as an Excel 97 2003 workbook. I'm going to click Save. The file has been saved. To recapitulate, to prepare a Microsoft workbook for importation into SPSS, it's advisable to delete all the sheets in the workbook except the sheet that contains the data for analysis. The file should be saved in a location you can remember, and it should be saved in the format of an Excel 97 2003 workbook. Now that we have completed this exercise, in the next video we will import this file into SPSS.